motor, everything's sped up no matter what.
Oh, okay. Yeah, mine will have that.
Oh, whose water is in my feet?
Axel.
Oh.
Axel, pick up your water bottle.
Coge tu water. Okay, which way is he coming? Is he coming right? Which way are you going? Right or left? You going through there? All right. I need you to move, buddy.
Come on, Axel.
Oh, excuse me. I didn't mean to cough on your face, girl. Sorry.
Right there, you go.
Son Ivan, step back. That you got a lens for a reason. I don't. Watch out, sweetie.
There you go. Wow, he's like a gecko, man.
It's only a rock moving.
Oh my God.
Ay, coño. You have differential locks on that? Hold on.
You got no locks on that, you know that.
Oh, that's not a problem. Man, you're good, man. You're good.
I know. He's good. He knows what he's doing.
Driver. Yeah, check this out right here. Watch. I don't care about the middle one. It's just that tire on this boulder right here, and I should be fine. All right, I'm gonna back up some more. You guys just guide me to like the closest to right here, all right? And then I should be fine. You gotta get this. Just press on the gas, man.
Confident.
Back right. Back right. And then we get the square root of the number here, and then by power by 10. Like radiator fluid.
Huh?
Feels like radiator fluid.
I wonder why.
I topped mine off. Even the reservoir is like way over full.
You got some in the Jeep?
I'm good, dude.
No, I didn't top my reservoir off.
Oh yeah, I got a whole thing.
Because I asked Daniel if we have any coolant.
And you know what? We did it. So.
Those rocks? What? It's just the rocks in the middle, man. Hard driver? Yeah, definitely right. You're clear the front. This is what's the name.
Get that line. You got this. You got this. Oh, you got it. You got. Woo!
There you go.
Whoa, honey.
Damn. That's an extra ground to me.
What's up, people?
You're done, man.
That's how a JK does it.
That's also what.
Just kidding.
I didn't record that.
These are what? That was nice.
And that's the man that was teaching everything over here. His name is Nathan Taylor. So if you want to get lessons on wheeling, NathanTaylor.com.